So what are some of the things that Wealthy Affiliate does not actually teach in their training program? So even though they teach all sorts of stuff, including YouTube, copywriting, of course, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and tons of cutting edge strategies that you can use, including a bunch of tools that can help you make money much faster, they don't teach you how to run paid ads at the start. So when you're starting with your affiliate marketing journey, the core training will not teach you how to do paid ads. You're also not going to learn how to create one page websites. So like very simple websites where it's just one page and maybe you drive traffic to it through ads, or you do like some affiliate marketing, or you create like content around it trying to get people to like click and sign up to something. They don't teach that, and they also don't have any done for you systems. So if someone is trying to tell you to start some sort of done for you program where you pay a bunch of money and they're going to give you everything you need, everything's all set up, you don't have to do any work, you just type a couple of buttons, you copy paste a couple of links, and it's just going to make you money on autopilot. That doesn't work, and if you're looking for that kind of system, Wealthy Affiliate is not for you. Wealthy Affiliate teaches legitimate affiliate marketing strategies, and they do require you putting a lot of work up front, but these things are proven to work, and you can make a significant amount of money if you stay consistent. So if you want to try Wealthy Affiliate, you can actually sign up to their completely free plan using the link in the description. There's no credit card required. Now you might be wondering, what are some false claims that people actually make about Wealthy Affiliate, or what are some misconceptions? So I'm going to talk about that in this video right here showing up on your screen.